chair. And let's just start out with a little bit of breath work. It is your life force. It is the reason why you're in this physical body. Let's honor it and appreciate it with a few rounds of breath. Drop your arms down to your sides. Now inhale, deep breath in through the nose. See if you can let your breath last the entire way up. Now look up and arc your back slightly. Exhale, push your palms down like you're pushing through sludge. Inhale, arms come up. And exhale. Now smile when you do this and add a little bit of energy. We have so much to be grateful for in life. Exhale. You can either take a negative attitude into your practice or you can take a positive one. You decide. Exhale. Remember to add that little bit of an arc at the top. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Now let's add a fold. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now core as strong as you fold. Roll yourself up. Head is the last thing to lift as you rise. Remember that little arc. Exhale. You're moving in sync with your breath. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale, hands to prayer. Great job. All right, still sitting tall at the edge of your chair. Drop your arms either on your thighs or down at your sides. Draw your shoulders up to your ears, relax them down and back, a move that never gets old. Now open your mouth, and as you open your mouth, you're gonna open your mouth, I'm gonna talk. So mouth is open, jaw is relaxed. Nice deep breath in, and now drop your head back, and as you drop your head back, drop your shoulders. Now close your mouth and press your bottom teeth up towards the sky like you have an underbite. Slide your bottom jaw side to side and feel all the scalings of the front of the neck stretch. So if you're a driver, my truck driver friends out there, hunched forward at the wheel, typing at a computer, hunched over a nursing baby, hunched over a desk, whatever it is, we need to open and lengthen these muscles. They're pulled tight. And so nice calm breathing. You can increase this by taking your hands and pulling down on the tissue around the neck and clavicles and hold there. Slowly bring the head back up to center. Whew, roll the shoulders up to the ears, drop them down, turn the head side to side. I can really notice one side is a little bit tighter. Yoga in part is about building self-awareness. Nice job. All right, left arm comes out to T. Turn your palm, forearm, and elbow up. Arm comes all the way up to the sky. And now when you're ready, opposite hand to the thigh, and let's side bend. And as you side bend, roll yourself down like your pinky finger is gonna touch the ground. And then roll yourself open as much as you can. Exhale, roll yourself down. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale, roll yourself open. Exhale, roll yourself down. And inhale, roll yourself open. Exhale, roll yourself down, and now roll towards your thighs and bring it up to seated. Arms come up overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Great job. All right, opposite side. So now right arm comes up. Remember, it's a rotation from the shoulder, not just from the wrist. People go wrong here a lot. Full arm rotation. Open it up. Opposite hand to the thigh. Arm comes up, up, up. And now just turn to the right slightly and side bend. And now as you side bend, I'm actually pressing my hand a little bit into my thigh, or my thigh into my hand. And you should be feeling that right side of the body, lower back. Exhale, I'm reaching with the top arm as much as I can. Roll it down. Inhale, roll it up and open. Exhale, roll it down. Inhale, roll it up and open. Exhale, roll it down. Inhale, up and open. Exhale, roll it down. Inhale, up and open. Exhale, roll it down and strike to the center. Widen your knees if you need more space for the belly and chest. Drop your head, and if you'd like to, either one, interlace the fingers, or two, grab a strap, a belt, or a towel, and draw your arms into that nice chest expander. I just got a little spinal adjustment there. Drop the head, breathe, exhale, release your arms and roll yourself back up to sitting. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to turn my chair because I have a wall behind me. You can stay right where you are if you don't have a wall behind you. Okay, so at the edge of your chair, for those of you that do a lot of driving, a lot of sitting, which is pretty much all of America right now, because many of us are at home, working from home. Hands come back behind. You're going to use the back edge of the chair. If it's helpful, latch your fingers together, or again, hold that strap or belt or sock or whatever you have. Scooch towards the edge of your chair, and now slide your arms down the chair, and almost like I'm going to come off the edge, arc your back. Really arc your back. Try to spread your sit bones open. I got to wiggle a little bit to do that because they're a little sticky. Draw your sternum forward like there's a magnet on the wall. And now either keep the chin towards the chest. Those of you that struggle with anything like vertigo or dizziness or have any type of head issues going on, do not drop the head back. Otherwise, let's drop the head back and reach up through the chin again. Breathe. Lift the head slowly. Take your arms off the chair. There's a little strength there. Widen your feet to make room for your belly, shoulders, and chest. And now hinge forward. Nice deep breath in. Drop the head. Even try to relax the shoulders a little bit. You can play with the position of the hands, which is going to change that stretch slightly. Pull up through your knuckles. Roll it back up. Nice job. Release the arms. Ooh, they almost don't feel like mine. All right, one more time here on the chair. We're going to change up that back bend. We're going to change up that arc. I'm going to scooch a little further back and actually lean on to the back of the chair. Not something I often tell you to do, but today you're going to do it. Inhale, arms come straight up in front. Now let the top edge of the chair serve as a point of pressure and connection for you to really try to exaggerate the arc of your back. You want that top edge of the chair to be underneath the shoulder blades, not on the shoulder blades. So you might need to do some scooching. I maybe am a little close. I just moved my backside down a little further. As you arc over the chair, drop your head back again if that's an option for you. If not, you're going to keep the chin at the chest. You may even notice, if you're like me, one side is a little bit more mobile than the other. Reach through the chin. Slowly, arms come up. Use your shoulders to help your head up. Roll the shoulders up to the ears. Relax them down and back. That is a great timeout stretch from driving and computer time. And if that was sensitive for your back, place a towel, kind of drape it, or your sweatshirt if that edge is a little bit too sharp and your back is tender. So easy fix on that. All right, nice and tall. And as you come nice and tall, you're going to move the chair off the edge again. And we're going to use the edge of the chair, the lip of the chair, as a little bit of a prop. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using the lip of a chair, feel free to take the cushions off your couch and use the couch. Or use a stool. We just want something lifted up off the floor. Who said chairs are for beginners, right? We're going to use that chair like any other prop. Okay, so hands at the edge of the chair. I like to grip the edge. Step your feet back. Feet are about hips distance. And sink your hips back. Bend your knees a little bit. Unstick your sit bones. And as you exhale, draw your belly in as you sink through the underarm. No bent elbows. Breathe calmly. Notice if you can start to feel your body unstick. If it's kind of like slowly breaking apart or slowly melting. For too many of us, we're so busy, we're moving so quickly. Even in yoga, we don't even build up the art of paying attention, which is a muscle, it is a skill. Okay, bend your knees, roll your head up between your arms. Now come forward, step back slightly with your feet into a little bit of a modified plank here. Drop your shoulders back, so no booties to the sky. Sink your tailbone and really, really, really press up the front of your pants into your back body. So we're nice and strong here. I could also drop to my knees, and then come to my forearms as a result. So there's a nice little modification for you. If you don't have a chair and you're doing this outside, your truck step works perfectly for this. All right, now let's turn it into a little bit of an up dog. If you're barefoot like I am, you can stay on the balls of the feet or drop to the tops of the feet. If you're in shoes, stay on the balls of the feet. Bend your elbows slightly, pull them in towards you, and arc your back. So I'm pushing down onto the chair to help me lengthen up. I am not locking out my arms, pulling the elbows in to help lift the chest even more. Now think about trying to pull your sternum up off your navel and look slightly up. Shoulders are down, neck is super long. So here I'm on the balls of my feet and I'm getting a really good stretch through my toes. Feels amazing. Or I can strengthen my ankles, roll the heels in, and come to the tops of the feet. If you're getting any type of foot cramping, you may need to do a little stretching down there. I can feel the heat in my body now. Deep breath in. Exhale, pull the hips back like they're on a string, back into your half dog. Bend the knees, sink into your torso. Remember, nothing is stagnant. Everything is fluid. Here we go again. Roll the head up. Slide yourself forward. Body is in one long line. Folds of the elbows forward. Watch your elbows, my hypermobile people. And zip the legs together. Knees and forearms are an option. Keep breathing. All right, little bend in the elbows. Back into your up dog. This is a little bit of a heart pumper today, you guys. Drop the shoulders, and again, I'm on the balls of the feet, and I'm even going to wiggle up into my toe joints to get a stretch there, or I'm going to come to the tops of the feet. Try not to sink into your shoulders. If you're a little bit weaker in the upper body, this is going to be a great workout. Breathe. All that sitting, all that hunching, all that bending forward, we are counterbalancing that today. Exhale, pull the hips back. Breathe. Oh, feels so good. Drop your hands, roll it up, and stand nice and tall. Whew. All right, so we're standing here. Feet are about hips distance. I'm going to turn sideways so you get a better view. With your feet at hips distance, now you could also do this seated at the edge of your chair. Bend your knees, hands on the thighs. Inhale, turn your sit bones out, spread them apart. Try to wiggle free your booty and lift your heart. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, drop your shoulders in. Inhale, variation of cat-cow. Exhale. Inhale. Really pull your shoulders together. Exhale. 2 more. Last time. And stand tall. Exhale. Great job. All right, last thing here before we wind down. Now, you can definitely use your chair. I got to think about this here for a second. There we go. So you can use your chair for support or the wall. And if you're going to use your chair for support, you're going to use it with the outside arm or the inside arm, sorry. So same as your balance leg. Grab your ankle, not the top of your foot. We don't want the ankle joint to be the one that takes all of the burden of the stretch. We want that to be in the quad, hip, and knee. If you can't grab hold of that ankle, then we want to use some type of a strap and loop, and then walk your hand in on the strap, okay? So if you don't have a strap, again, a sock, a towel, let's not complicate this here. Once you grab hold of the leg, notice how my knee is kicking out? That's my line of tightness. I'm going to turn my knee down like I'm trying to touch the opposite without losing my belly. I can really feel that stretch through the quad, through the knee, in the hip. I'm keeping my glutes engaged. I'm keeping my belly strong. Ooh. And I am maximizing the openness of the front of my body by rolling the shoulder open as well. So again, that chair is there for stability. You could also double that chair and actually use it to support the knee too. So if you need a little bit of extra help, or you're like, "Ooh, this is a hard stretch," I can at minimum bring my leg up onto the chair, walk forward, and then try to lean that hip and get a little bit of a quad stretch. So I like to just find variations that work for everybody. When you're ready, drop that leg down, shake it out. If you're going to use the chair as support, swing it around. If you're going to use it for the leg, you can do that then. Grab your strap if you need to. My booty is dropped down. I'm trying not to lean into the chair. Bring the leg up. And remember, we're grabbing the ankle, not the top of the foot. Please, please, please grab for the ankle. Turning the knee down, bringing them together. There's that quad stretch, that true quad stretch. Draw the belly in. Now I'm in my hip even more. Roll the shoulder and chest open without splaying the ribs. Now I have a nice entire right line of the body. That's your right side. Opening up. Breathe. I can even feel that in through the neck because I'm focusing on dropping my shoulder down versus hiking it up. And now slowly release that out, shake out the leg. Awesome. Come back to your chair, take a seat. Sitting at the edge of the chair, let's end the same way we started. Deep breath in. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale and exhale, just bring in all the positivity, everything that you need for the rest of the day. Inhale. And exhale, pause for a moment, offer gratitude for all the amazing things in your life. I know there's some, and just focus on them for a moment.